For this assignment, I want you to conduct some background research on your experimental question for the Gorongosa lab. I've attached some links and helpful sites to help you get started with your background research. Um, the first site is Encyclopedia Britannica. It's really great for looking up specific information about different animals, if that's what you are interested in. I've included the Gorongosa National Park website. And you can also use the actual interactive that we used for the lab itself. There's some really useful information in there. So the first is this interactive map that you can go to. We played with this a little bit in class, but this is the map where you can sort of check and uncheck different features showing the national park. Like textual information here. You can get a lot of visual information from the way the park is set up, where the roads are, where the waterways are. That might help you form your hypothesis for your research question. The next place you can go is in the actual lab program where you click on the pictures. If you click on the Explore Data tab, if you click on the Ecology tab, it gives you a whole bunch of information about the geography, the different water, the different habitats and vegetation. Keep scrolling down. There's some information about the different wildlife, the different animals there. So for the example that I made, I found all the information I need just from this ecology tab here at the top. So you are more than welcome to use the resources and the background research that is provided to you by the lab program in your background research. What you need to turn in for me is a short summary of your background research. So for notes, I want you to please just type in your research question so I know what question you are researching. You need to include a citation in MLA format. I'll talk about that in just a minute. And the notes that you got from that source. I gave you space for 3 different resources. You do not have to use all 3. You can use more than 3, but please include a citation and notes for each source that you use. In order to make citing the different sources easy, I've attached a link. This is a citation machine generator. It's super easy. All you have to do is copy paste the URL from the source that you used, and it should generate an MLA citation for you. You can also enter the information manually if you want, but I think it's easiest to just copy paste a URL and click search, and then click enter in a publisher or sponsor and the date that it's published on the website. If you can't, it's not the end of the world. You click complete citation. Citation is created, you can click the little checkbox and then click copy, and then you can paste it right into your background research notes page. Another free website you can use is EasyBib. If you just do a Google search for EasyBib, you can create citations using this. If you have any questions on this assignment, please feel free to send me an email.